Hello dear friend, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you again. Okay, let's begin to learn the second step to solve the cube. The second step should be solve the corners in the first layer. Yes? Okay, right. The last video we have learned how to solve the white cross, right? So in this video we are going to solve the corners. Okay, these 4 corners like so, right? 4 white corners in the first layer. Okay, let's keep this one in mind. First, let's keep this white cross on the bottom layer and figure out where the 4 corners. It is visible to find the white, red, green in the top layer, right? Next one, the white, red, blue in the top layer also, and the next one, white, orange, blue on the bottom layer, right? And white, green, orange in the bottom layer also. Actually, after the first step to solve the white cross, the second step will be a little mechanical. We need to follow some algorithm to solve the cube. It is easier. Let's first start one white corners in the top layer. For example, this white, red, green. Okay, white, red, green. So figure out where it should be. It should be between the white, red, white, green, right? Okay, if you don't know, you can seek the correct one. Okay, the correct one. Yes, between the white, green, and white, red, right? So white, red, and white, green. Where is it? White, red, white, green. And it's here, right? Rotate the top layer to make the correct corners above where it should be. Above where it should be. Yes. In fact, this position is the nearest way from the correct position. Yes, right? Right. Faster, faster. So, this position is the nearest. Remember to keep these target corners on the right front side in the top layer. Right and front side in the top layer. Okay? And follow one algorithm. Carefully. R, U, R prime, U prime, like so. R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, got it? Yes. In case that somebody don't know the notation and rotation, here I would like to explain one more time, okay? R, U, R prime. R means the right layer, means turn the right layer 90 degrees clockwise. And R prime means counterclockwise, okay? Counterclockwise one time, okay? R prime, okay? U means rotate the top layer 90 degrees clockwise, like so. And U prime means rotate the upper layer 90 degrees counterclockwise, like so, and like that, okay? So, one more time. R prime, U prime, like that. Okay, repeat the R, U, R prime, U prime, okay? R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, stop it. Danny, you are clever. Yes, of course. Next one is the white, red, blue, right? White, red, blue. White, red, blue should be between the white, blue, and white, red, right? It is already about where it should be, right? So we just need to follow the same algorithm until it is solved. R, U, R prime, U prime. Not solved, right? In the correct position but long orientation. So one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, bring it up to the top layer. So repeat. R, U, R prime, U prime. Again, launch orientation. R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. Right, this time already solved this one, okay? Okay, the next one, white, orange, blue. Figure out where it should be. It should be between the white, orange, and white, blue. This position, right? So rotate the top layer to make it above where it should be, above it. Okay, remember, right front in the top layer. Okay, follow the same algorithm. Remember? Yes, you remember. I know. Okay, are you apron you front, right? In the correct position, but launch orientation, right? Okay, follow same algorithm. Are you apron you front? 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 Got it? Solve it, right? Good job. So the next one is white, orange, green. Between white, green and white, orange, right? So above where it should be. Red, front in the top layer. Okay, follow same algorithm. Are you apron you front? 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 Are you apron? Got it? Yes, done it. Good job. Okay, here I'd like to explain one more case that in the bottom layer, this corner piece in the correct position but launch orientation. In this case, then we follow the same algorithm, right? Are you apron you front into the top layer and then follow the same algorithm again. Are you apron you front? Are you apron you front, right? Are you apron you front? Like that. You have got the tips, right? So this time, would you like one more example? Let's start with the white corner stand in the top layer. For example, this one, white, green, red. Figure out where it should be. It should be between the white, green and the white, red, right, above it. Okay. Remember on the right front side and in the top layer, follow it. Are you apron? Okay, not correct. Are you apron you front? Okay, are you apron you front? Are you apron you front? Are you apron? Right, this time correct. The next one, white, orange, green. White, orange, green, it should be here, right, above it. So again, follow it. Are you apron you front? 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 Are you apron? Right, stop it. And next one is the white, red, blue. White, red, blue should be here, right, between the white, blue and the white, red. Locate above where it should be and repeat the same algorithm. Are you apron you front? Are you apron you front? Are you apron you front? Not correct. Are you apron you front? One more time again. Are you apron? Right? Now this time stop. And the last one is the white, orange, blue, right? Rotate to the position there above where it should be. Okay? Above it. Okay. Are you apron? One time it is okay this time. Okay. So congratulations to you that we have already solved the first layer, right? So we need more practice to do it, to make us become more familiar about the algorithm and how the edge piece and corner piece move around the cube. Congratulations to you, have already solved the first layer. So see you next time.